Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case which is related to the limited scrutiny and at the same time related to the cases which were covered during the demonetization period. It is a settled law that in case of a limited scrutiny case, if the assessing officer wants to travel beyond the issues which are mentioned in the limited scrutiny, then he has to follow the mandate of Central Board of Direct Taxes Circular number 5/2016. Similarly, the issue before the Kolkata ITAT A bench in the present case was that if the case of the assessee for the assessment year 17-18 was taken up for examining the cash deposited during the demonetization period, but in the notice there was no expression exhibiting limited scrutiny, and if the assessing officer makes the addition other than the cash deposit, so whether that additions are justified as per the concept of limited scrutiny mandated by Central Board of Direct Tax instructions. This issue has been taken up by Kolkata ITAT A bench in the case of Shrimanta Kumar Shit versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 116 ITR Tribunal, short notes 51, and the date of the judgment is 19th November 2024. The present case is related to the assessment year, obviously the period which was covered with the demonetization period. The case of the assessee was opened under section 143 subsection 2 to examine cash deposit made during the demonetization period. The assessing officer issued notice to the bank under section 133 subsection 6 and completed the assessment under section 143 subsection 3 read with section 144 after making the additions on travel related expenses and depreciation, addition on account of sundry creditors and fixed deposits under section 69A, and some additions under section 56 subsection 2 clause 7 subclause B subclause II, but no addition was made for the cash deposit during the demonetization period. These additions were upheld by the CIT appeal. When this matter was before the tribunal, the assessee raised an additional ground and said that this ground is a technical ground, legal ground, and the ground was that the assessment proceedings have been completed without jurisdiction because the scrutiny was open to examine the cash deposit during the demonetization period. So it was a limited scrutiny case, and the assessing officer has travelled beyond the limited scrutiny without following the mandate of the Central Board of Direct Tax Circular. It was the plea of the revenue that there is no expression exhibiting the aspect of limited scrutiny, and it was the scrutiny assessment, meaning thereby that it was the point of the revenue that the notice under section 143 subsection 2 for scrutiny does not mention that it is for limited scrutiny, so it is a complete scrutiny. When the tribunal heard the matter, the tribunal said that in the present case, on the pursuit of the notice under section 143 subsection 2 and the first paragraph of the assessment order, it becomes very clear that the scrutiny was only for the purpose of examining the cash deposit during the year, and in the case, in the present case, the assessing officer has not made any addition for the cash deposit. Even if he has made the addition for the cash deposit, even then he cannot travel beyond that issue without following the procedure in the Central Board of Direct Tax instruction, that is instruction number 5 of 2016, that is 14th July 2016, and the assessing officer has to take the prior approval of the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax to initiate the inquiry on the other matters and do the assessment on the other matters. So friends, this case can be very helpful for all those cases which are covered under the demonetization and the assessing officer has made the addition other than the points of the cash deposit if in the notice it was mentioned that the case of the assessee has been taken up for examination of the cash deposit during the demonetization period. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Shri Manta Kumar Shit versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 116 ITR Tribunal, short note 51, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Kolkata ITAT A bench on 19th November 2024. Thank you, friends.